Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to unhide contacts in Messenger. Step 1. Go ahead and open Messenger on your mobile phone. Then tap on the three lines on the top left corner right here. Then tap on the settings icon. Scroll down until you see privacy and safety. Then you'll see hidden contacts on the second option. Go ahead and tap on it. Then there will be a list of contacts you've hid. Then search for the profile you want to unhide. Then tap unhide right here. So that's it guys. Now you know how to unhide contacts in Messenger. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And comment down below if there is anything else I can help you with. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.